Your smart TV comes with some apps already installed, like Netflix or Prime Video, but you may want to install your own apps. So this video will show you how to install an app and how to delete an app. So you can see your installed apps across the bottom of the screen. I'm going to use my navigation ring to click all the way to the left till I get to the LG Content Store, and I'll use my select button to click on that, and it'll take a moment for the content store to open. And now I can see the apps I might want to install, and you'll notice on almost all of them it says they're free, which is a little misleading. The app is free. However, if you want the content that the app is supposed to deliver, you have to almost always pay for it, buy a subscription. But I'm going to click down to most popular apps, and now I'm going to start clicking to the right until I find an app I want to install. And I selected Paramount Plus, which is a streaming video service with movies and TV shows. And I'll click on Paramount Plus. And now I'll click on Install. And it'll take a moment to install. And now it's installed. I'll click Launch. So now I've launched Paramount Plus, and as I said before, the Paramount Plus app is free, but if I actually want to watch movies and sports and TV shows on Paramount Plus, I have to buy a subscription. So I'm not going to do that right now, so I want to delete the Paramount Plus app. So I'm going to click my back button, which is the little left pointing arrow, and I'll choose yes. I would like to exit Paramount Plus. I click on the home button to get back to the home screen. So I'm back to the home screen, and I'm just going to start using my navigation ring to go down to the very bottom row, and I'll start clicking to the right, and I want to keep clicking to the right until I find Paramount Plus. So I've selected Paramount Plus. Now I'm going to click and hold the select button. And now I get a little trash can above the Paramount Plus icon. I'm going to click up with the select button to select the trash can. And now I'm going to click the select button again. And it says, "Are you sure you want to delete Paramount Plus?" I click yes, and now I click down to select close, and now I'm back to my home screen, and I have deleted the Paramount Plus app.